From Edna Lewis's The Taste of Country Cooking, Compote of Stewed Blackberries. Everyone seems to have forgotten how delicious blackberries were, if they ever knew. We picked them mainly for canning, for making wine and jelly to use in the winter. But how we did enjoy them too during the summer season, in blackberry pie, roly-poly, or with cream and sugar, as well as stewed and served warm. Blackberries are still gathered from the wild, and they are the one frozen fruit that still tastes good. Put up in Marion, Oregon, they can be purchased in the A&P frozen, and they are just as delicious when stewed for 10 minutes with a little water and sugar to taste. Set sugar and water to boil briskly for 10 minutes, wash the berries, add them to the boiled syrup, bring this to a near boil and stew gently for 10 minutes. Turn the heat off and leave in a warm spot.